What's going on, YouTube? Payout Pete here, back with another trade review. Massive Globex range, about 400 points, and RTH is inside of it. Looking to fade the edges of this extreme balance area where we've sold from here prior in the 930s. It actually sold off of here multiple times in the A period, and I wasn't on during that time. I got on around maybe C period and was able to get a short. Tried it twice, caught a short up there at the highs, but I've done some other stuff too. So let's drop on down in 5 minutes, see what the hell happened, how to play it out today. First trade of the day was actually shorting the fucking hole. I thought we were gonna get an IB break and then just fucking dumpster fire, just like sort of yesterday, as there was some very aggressive selling off from this. I would say now this is probably triple top, so I thought we were just going to get a continuation down, so I tried to fire off a discretionary trade here at IB low. Yeah, got stopped out pretty instantly, so I waited for it to get back to this area that we just talked about, which is the 930s. Tried it once here when the tape flipped red, and got stopped out to the tick before it went in my favor for just a little bit. I probably wouldn't have TP'd out of this short anyway, so I probably would have stopped out anyway. This was where we reached the same area where we've already triple topped. They got to the high, they didn't put any volume in, and then the tape started to turn or taper off, start to turn more sell. So I limited in at the beginning of my zone at around 920s, and the ultimate thesis was to really hold to the other side at 760, but it took out my runner here on this spike up. I was trailing my runner. I tried adding twice here. I tried adding twice here, peeled some off at like 1.5 R, and the rest got stopped out because this area was so choppy at the time. It was whipping back and forth about 15 points. After the spike up that took out my runner, it then went straight down to the ultimate thesis target, 760s. I tried to short it here, scratched out. Tried to short it again at IB low for further continuation, stopped out. And then lastly, the last two trades of the day was still trying to short this thing to go back into the high time frame balance that stretched from 760 to 560. I got short one more time right here, peeled some off at 2R, got stopped out on the last one, which was supposed to be for new low a day, as the market has just been very choppy with major pullbacks. I'm calling it for the day just because the market has been the pullbacks have been so deep. Can't really tell which, I guess, leg you're on. Like I thought this was going to be it. You know, they failed to get back to this auction area here. The tape was starting to turn after they failed to get back above. And then it took me out. Now it's back down here again. It's just been very choppy. So it's a wick graveyard. So I'm going to call it there. Stay for the rest of the video if you want to see how the trades went down live. Thanks, guys. Trying to target some of these imbalances at 813 on the footprint. See if I can hold to get all the way over there. Damn. I'm gonna try short here, 753. That shit right there, dude. Yep. Alright, man. Fuck this market, dude. Yeah.